We're able to take a very technical item, do the work we need to do to make it the device that they need it to be, do it quickly, do it efficiently, and in the most cost-effective way possible. The Cognex Distribution Center is a place where we bring material in from all our suppliers around the world, inventory it, do quality checks on it to ensure that it meets the standards that we're looking for, and then we use that material to fulfill customer orders to give them immediate and next day delivery. We have this Southborough facility for the Americas, we have our Cork facility for Europe, and our Singapore facility to cover Asia. We use those as regional hubs. Our goal for these distribution centers globally is to deliver on-time delivery up to 95% on time for next day delivery. The way we make the customer experience better is we handle a lot of the complexity from an import-export standpoint. We handle all of that. We'll take and deliver orders in local currency. We're able to take a very technical item, do the work we need to do to make it the device that they need it to be, do it quickly, do it efficiently, and in the most cost-effective way possible.
As we get material received in from the trucks, we stage it in this area. The receivers go in and process it on the system, and then once it's received in, it gets staged for put away. So the faster we get it from the truck into the warehouse and able to process it, the better. So that allows us to do some of those next day shipments. So the pickers will come, they'll pick the material for the customer's orders and bring it over to production for processing. Our forward picking locations are all shoulder height and below, so that the pickers don't have to reach, they don't have to get ladders. It's more efficient picking. The picks have reduced in time by about a third. So when we get our systems in from our contract manufacturer, they only have manufacturing firmware on there, so they're not functional. So what we do is we get the customer's orders, and then we load whatever software the customer has requested. These are in-house design testers from our manufacturing engineers. So now when we have capacity constraints, we can just plug the units into multiple testers and get large orders out that way. What might have taken 2 or 3 days to process a large order, we can process that in a single day now. This is an area where we scan the customer's order and we scan each individual item that goes into the kit for the customer, and it does a validation. We've developed it in-house, and it checks to make sure all of the required process steps have been completed and that it has been programmed exactly to the customer order. The shipping station does one last validation that we've shipped everything that the customer ordered correctly, and it all has to match. If something's wrong, it notifies the operator so they can make the appropriate changes, and then once it matches the customer's order, it'll ship off.
The distribution center really is taking on the responsibility to handle the logistics for the customer. You know, we're combining order management, finance, operations, quality, engineering. For a customer, I think the most important thing is everything we do, everything is geared towards making their experience better.